Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to draw the keyframe in Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can open this Krita first, and after that you can go to this file and click new, and after that you can choose the predefined or the paper of your project, or maybe the page size, and also the orientation. Here I choose the landscape, and with the height I will use this one, and after that you can continue to click create. So if you would like to create the animation, so make sure that this animation timeline and curves has already activated. So you can start to go to this window. Go to this window, workspace, and click this animation. In case these two have not shown down here, so you can use this way by clicking this windows, workspace, and animation. And to show off this or showing up this tools like the brush preset, layer, palette, so you can go to this setting, darker, and you can activate the tools which one you prefer. And for example, if you would like to create the shape first, so you can go to this, for example, ellipse tool, and also make sure that the color is already activated. For example, I will choose this medium jungle green, and you can also choose the brush style over here. For example, I will choose this one, and it will be ready to create the shape like this. And after that, you can start to move this object by clicking this selection tool or transform a layer like this, and after that this object gonna be movable anywhere that you would like to place it. And for example, if you would like to move it, so you can start to create the keyframe first. For example, I will give it a right click and click create blank frame like this, and I will move this again. And in case if you would like to move it, let's say move it bouncy or bouncing effect, so maybe the motion gonna be like this, boom boom boom. And after that, to have the consistent shape, so I will start to give it the right click and copy this keyframe. And for example, I will place the next keyframe into this 6, click here and paste the keyframe. And for example, I will move it here, and after that I will copy again, and let's say I will copy here, paste here, paste the keyframe, and for example I will move it here and copy this again. Always copy because the movement is different from the start. Copy this, and after that go to the next keyframe and paste it. And again copy it, and let's say paste it here, and I will copy it again and paste it here like this. And you can also give the right click for this section. For example, set the start time, and also this will be the set end time. And after that you can start to play it, let's say by click this and play it. And if you would like to see the pattern after, or the location where this ball gonna be moved, so you can activate this lamp. So this will be the motion or the pattern here. So this is the initial location of this ball, and after that this ball gonna be moved here. And for example, I will click this one and it will move here, here, and gonna be continue to be here, here, and it will go to here, here, and it will end up and disappear. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Krita to create your animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. Always train yourself to create this animation, and can't wait to see your masterpiece by doing this keyframe. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.